Good morning, visitors. Right now we have the Michipicoten approaching the Duluth Ship Canal. The Michipicoten was built as the Elton Hoyt II in 1952 by the Bethlehem Shipbuilding and Dry Dock Company of Sparrows Point, Maryland. She measures 698 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 37 feet in depth. She is powered by an 8,200 horsepower 6-cylinder Mack diesel engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. The Michipicoten has 20 hatches on her deck, which open into 5 cargo holds located below deck. Each hatch covering measures 35 by 11 feet. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 22,300 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which through a system of conveyor belts that go throughout the vessel allows her to unload her own cargo at a rate of 6,000 tons per hour without the aid of shoreside equipment. The Michipicoten is currently owned and operated by Lower Lakes Towing of Port Dover, Ontario, Canada. The Michipicoten is named after the Michipicoten River, located northeastern Ontario, Canada. What you all just heard there is known as the captain's salute, which is a traditional greeting between the ships and the bridge. The ship initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by 2 short blasts, and the bridge responds with the same thing. The Michipicoten is currently on their way in today to load 2 different cargoes. First, they're going to be loading a small bit of blast furnace trim at Hallet Dock number 5. Blast furnace trim is basically just crushed taconite ore. The iron ore pellets that get shipped out of the port is made from that rock, but it's more processed. Blast furnace trim is the unprocessed version that they use in blast furnaces to adjust the silica content. But once they're done with that, they will then shift over to Canadian National to load the normal cargo they usually load, which is iron ore pellets. The Michipicoten is one of our more frequent visitors here at Duluth. The reason being that they've been going between here and the Algoma steel mill located at Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. It's the only steel mill that freighters deliver to on Lake Superior. All the other steel mills that ships deliver to are either on Lake Michigan or on Lake Erie or on the Detroit River. So since they deliver to Algoma Steel, it takes them only about a day to get there, half a day to unload, then come back, depending on what their orders are. But sometimes we'll see them 2, almost 3 times a week. So once again, we have the Michipicoten coming through the Duluth Ship Canal. She was built in 1952, measures 698 feet in length, 70 feet in width, and 37 feet in depth. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 22,300 tons. Currently owned and operated by Lower Lakes Towing of Port Dover, Ontario, Canada, and she is currently on her way in today to load blast furnace trim at Hallet 5, then they'll shift over to load iron ore pellets at Canadian National.